Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode we will be discussing about Major Bob Khating and how and what role he has played with regard to the integration of Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh into India. Now Tawang is a region which is situated in present Arunachal Pradesh, and what is the role he has played in the integration of Tawang into India. First of all, about the points of discussion, first we will be looking at the news, then who is Major Bob Khating, and then Bob Khating's Tawang expedition, what all he did to make Tawang at the right time a part of India, and then record of army service, how he has performed, and in the end prelims MCQ. Topic becomes important from general studies paper 1, that is history. Now Bob Khating Museum of Valor inaugurated. Who was he? His role in integrating Tawang into India. Now recently a museum of Valor has been inaugurated in Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh by the Defense Minister of India, that is Rajnath Singh. Now what becomes important and what came to news was who is Major Bob Khating. Now the Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the Major Ralengno Bob Khating Museum of Valor at Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. Even though the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar, but Tawang is one of the major areas or regions in the Arunachal Pradesh, and there is also a monastery, very famous monastery in Tawang. Then the event took place in the virtual mode and it was held on October 31st, and October 31st is also the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is observed as the National Unity Day, and the inauguration of a statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel also took place. Now let us talk about who was Bob Khating. So Bob Khating was born on February 28, 1912. It means before India got independence, in Manipur. So in Manipur he was born, and he was also a Tangkhul Naga. He was also a Tangkhul Naga, and during the time of 1939, that is after the Second World War broke out, so during this period of Second World War, he played a major role. And then at this point of time, he joined the Indian Army and got an emergency commission as an officer. So during the time of Second World War, Khating joined the Indian Army and he got emergency commission as an officer. So he joined as an officer. He was a soldier and a civil servant at that point of time, and during this time he led the expedition to peacefully integrate Tawang into India. And then he was also instrumental in establishing essential military and security frameworks, like for example the Sashastra Seema Bal, Nagaland Armed Police and the Naga Regiment. So in establishment of all these security frameworks, he has played a major role. Now let us talk about the Major Bob Khating's role in the Tawang expedition. So during the year or during the time of 1951, Major Bob Khating, who was a member of the Indian Frontier Administrative Service also at that point of time, he was given a task by the Governor of Assam. Governor of Assam at that point of time gave the task to Major Bob Khating, and the task was to occupy Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh. To occupy Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, and during the time of 1951, it was an important task to do, and it was very important to occupy Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, as it was seen that there were indications that the Chinese were preparing to walk into Tibet, and there were indications that possibly they will look to realign the boundary with India. So before Chinese enter into Tibet and do something with the realignment of boundary with India, before these indications or predictions, need to make Tawang completely and by the will of the people a part of India, or at that point of time integration of Tawang into Arunachal Pradesh must take place. Then Major Bob Khating was well versed in the jungle warfare, because the area where the Tawang is situated, or the area of the Arunachal Pradesh, being very important or very well versed in jungle warfare becomes very important, or at that point of time it became very important. Then Bob Khating started the expedition for Tawang on January 17, 1951 near Assam's Chardwar with troops of Assam Rifles. So this expedition started from Assam, as the job of occupying Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh was given by the governor of Assam. So the expedition also started from with Assam, or along with the troops of Assam Rifles. Then the terrain was hostile and the extreme weather was also there, but Major Bob Khating did what he was given to do, and that too he held talks with the people of the Tawang, and then he won over the trust of the people, local people of the Tawang, with the talks and the diplomacy that he did. So Khating held parleys with the locals, winning over their trust. Now officially Tawang came under the Indian administration by hoisting the Indian flag on February 14, 1951. So February 14, 1951, officially Tawang came under the Indian administration. And then Khating started the process of establishing an administrative setup in the area around Tawang, and all this was done and was very important, so that before the Chinese could enter into the Tibet area and do something with the border realignment with India, Tawang willingly and by winning the trust of the people living there, or the local population, was integrated with India. Now, record of army service. So how and what role has Major Bob Khating played with army services? So he has also won a coveted award of Member of British Empire for his role in galvanizing Naga support against the Japanese in Burma. So he was a part of the Member of British Empire. Then he has also been given the Military Cross. He has also been given the Military Cross for his acts of bravery above and beyond the call of duty. So he has been honored with many awards. Then he commissioned into the 911 Hyderabad Regiment. Then the commissioning took place in 911 Hyderabad Regiment. As of now, it is also known as, in today's time, it is known as Kumaon Regiment. Then by the end of the Second World War, the emergency commissioned officers in the army were demolished. So when the Second World War took place, so the emergency commissioned officers in the army were demolished, and Major Bob Khating was a part of this emergency commissioned officers in the army. Then after this, Khating joined the then interim government as minister in charge of the hill areas. In the year 1949, when Manipur merged with India, he joined Assam Rifles, and he has also had a role with Assam Rifles when he was given the task to occupy Tawang and integrate it with India by the governor of Assam. Then in the year 1951, he joined the Indian Frontier Administrative Service as an assistant political officer. So he has over the years played many important and many different roles in his career. Then he went on to serve as a deputy commissioner in Nagaland, then development commissioner in Sikkim, and the chief secretary of Nagaland. So he has also served at a very higher position in the organizations. Then his career ended as an ambassador to Burma. So his career ended in the year 1975 when he became the ambassador to Burma. So if you will see, he has played many different roles in his career. So that is how the Major Bob Khating played a very important role with regard to the integration of Tawang in Arunachal Pradesh, or you can say with India. Now in the end of prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. The Manipur became part of India on 1948, 1949, 1950 or 1951. So give me the answer in the comment section, and that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.